Welcome, today I'm showing you how to unblock phone number into INFINIX HOT 11s. First of all, open your phone application, this one. Then on the top right corner we got settings button. Tap it and choose block numbers. Here go into Blacklist. And here we got two block numbers. So for unlocking, for example, this last one, click here on the right side and confirm operation, tapping remove. And we got success message that this number was unblocked. So once again, this number, and click here on the right side to button and confirm operation, tapping remove one more time. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.